Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off Amazon style in store shopping on your Amazon shopping app. All you have to do to turn off this mark, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile and you just click here on settings. Then it's going to show for you window like this and you just click here on permissions. Then you come to a next window here, so you're just waiting to open with you this window. So and you go down here, then you come here to Amazon style and store shopping. You will click here on this mark or this color, and like you say now, you just waiting, and like you say now color it's gone. That's mean Amazon style and store shopping it's on off now. So that's all. I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So thank you.